Hey everyone! Today, we're diving into the exciting world of crypto arbitrage, a strategy that can help you profit from price differences in the cryptocurrency market. Think of it like this. Imagine finding two stores selling the same pair of shoes at different prices. You buy the shoes from the cheaper store and immediately sell them to the other store for a profit. That's arbitrage in a nutshell. Crypto arbitrage works similarly, but instead of shoes, we're talking about cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin or Ethereum. And the best part? You can often find these price differences on the same exchange. This is called same-exchange arbitrage, and it's a fantastic way to potentially make money without constantly monitoring multiple platforms. Intrigued? Let's break it down further. Now, you might be wondering how price differences can exist on the same exchange. It all comes down to speed and market inefficiencies. Cryptocurrency markets move incredibly fast, with prices fluctuating constantly. Sometimes these price changes don't update across all parts of the exchange simultaneously, creating temporary price gaps. That's where you come in. By identifying these price discrepancies and acting quickly, you can buy low and sell high on the same platform, locking in a profit. Imagine seeing Bitcoin priced at $29,000 on one part of the exchange, and $29,100 on another part of the same exchange. You buy at the lower price and immediately sell at the higher price, making a quick $100 per Bitcoin. Let's look at a real-world example to illustrate this further. Suppose Binance lists Bitcoin at $29,500 on its main trading pair, BTC-USDT. However, due to high trading volume on another pair, BTC-BUSD, Bitcoin's price momentarily drops to $29,450. This is your chance. You quickly buy Bitcoin at $29,450 using BUSD, and immediately sell it at $29,500 using the BTC-USDT pair. You've just made a $50 profit per Bitcoin, all thanks to same-exchange arbitrage. While these price differences might seem small, they can add up quickly, especially when trading larger amounts. Plus, the speed of cryptocurrency transactions allows you to execute multiple arbitrage trades in a short period, potentially amplifying your profits. Ready to give it a try? Here are some tips for beginners. 1. Choose a reputable exchange. Look for platforms with high liquidity, a wide variety of trading pairs, and a user-friendly interface. 2. Start small. Begin with a small amount of capital to get comfortable with the process and minimize potential losses. 3. Use limit orders. These orders allow you to set your desired buying and selling prices, ensuring you don't accidentally buy high or sell low. 4. Be quick. Speed is crucial in arbitrage. Use tools like trading bots or mobile apps to react to price changes instantly. And 5. Stay informed. Keep an eye on market news and trends that might influence price fluctuations. Section 5. Common mistakes and how to avoid them. While crypto arbitrage can be lucrative, it's essential to be aware of potential pitfalls. Here are some common mistakes to avoid. 1. Ignoring trading fees. Exchanges charge fees for every transaction, so factor these into your calculations to ensure profitability. 2. Not accounting for slippage. Prices can change rapidly, and your order might not be filled at the exact price you want. 3. Chasing unrealistic profits. Be wary of opportunities that seem too good to be true. Stick to smaller, more frequent trades. 4. Emotional trading. Don't let greed or fear dictate your decisions. Stick to your strategy and manage your risk effectively. By understanding these common mistakes and taking steps to avoid them, you can significantly increase your chances of success in crypto arbitrage. Section 6. Benefits of crypto arbitrage. Boost your portfolio. Now that you understand the ins and outs of same-exchange arbitrage, let's explore its benefits. First, the potential for high profits. By exploiting price differences, you can potentially earn significant returns, especially in volatile markets. Second, reduced risk. Compared to traditional trading, arbitrage involves less risk as you're buying and selling simultaneously, minimizing exposure to price fluctuations. Third, passive income potential. With the help of trading bots, you can automate your arbitrage strategy, generating passive income even while you sleep. And lastly, flexibility and accessibility. You can engage in crypto arbitrage from anywhere in the world with an internet connection, making it a highly accessible investment strategy. Section 7. Risks to consider before diving in. While arbitrage can be profitable, it's not without risks. Here are some to consider. First, competition. Many traders use sophisticated bots to spot and capitalize on price differences, making it challenging to find profitable opportunities. Second, technical issues. Exchange outages or connectivity problems can disrupt your trades and lead to potential losses. And third, market volatility. While arbitrage aims to minimize exposure to price swings, sudden market movements can still impact your profits. Section 8. Is crypto arbitrage right for you? Crypto arbitrage can be a lucrative strategy, but it's not for everyone. It requires dedication, quick thinking, and a solid understanding of the cryptocurrency market. If you're comfortable with risk, enjoy analyzing market data, and possess the technical skills to execute trades swiftly, then crypto arbitrage might be a good fit for you. However, if you're new to crypto or prefer a more passive investment approach, it's best to start with simpler strategies before diving into arbitrage. Section 9. Take action. Start exploring arbitrage opportunities. Crypto arbitrage offers a unique opportunity to profit from the exciting world of cryptocurrencies. By understanding the mechanics, following the tips outlined above, and staying informed about market trends, you can potentially boost your portfolio and achieve your financial goals. Remember, knowledge is power. Take the time to research, practice with small amounts, and never stop learning. The cryptocurrency market is constantly evolving, so stay adaptable and embrace the challenges and rewards that come with it. Good luck and happy trading. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insights and tips on maximizing your crypto profits.